Hey everybody in the high impact PE. I'm here to kind of walk through our first week, I guess, of high impact PE. Obviously, you've accepted an invitation to this new class, this new PE program, to be here. But I just wanted to kind of review what you might see in your assignment page in our classroom. We have a weekly log that you will submit throughout the week, and so I just kind of wanted to walk you through that. First off, you can see that each Monday or the day of the week will be in all bold at the beginning. Okay, and just like before when we talked about in our PE program video, high impact PE will have specific things on specific days. And so you might have watched that and read through that. And so that's why you chose this class. So on Mondays, what you're going to end up doing is a 20-minute elevated cardiovascular workout. You could choose jog or a jog, walk, bike. Maybe you have some cardio equipment at your house. Or you can choose some other things, but you're going to log what that is down here in our short answer. Okay. Also on Monday, you have a brief stretch or yoga routine. You can see in this week it lasts a little over 8 minutes. And then you're going to log into Tuesday. You can come back to us on Tuesday, and you're going to do a brief warm-up. And that warm-up, you can see down here, is short in time, but it's just a kind of way to get the body warmed up, which will lead you to a blaster, also known as a finisher, okay, which you can check off that you got it done, or nope, you couldn't finish. And then here's a brief demonstration of what the finisher is. So as many rounds as possible, 8 times. You can kind of go through that. On Wednesday, we're back to 20 minutes of elevated cardiovascular. This could be a jog, walk, bike, cardio equipment, or other. And you're going to type in below what piece of equipment or how you got your heart rate elevated for 20 minutes. On Wednesdays, you have a 4-part core superset. And so those are on top of your cardio. So you can see what those are, elbow plank, and so on and so forth. And those are in a brief demonstration down below. Then we move on to Thursday. Thursday, we warm up our shoulders with roughly 30 seconds of each of the following: circles forward, circles backwards, up and back, hugs, and one up and downs. And here's a brief demonstration of what that might look like. Then we're going to move on to push-ups and just learn some basic push-ups. 2 sets of 5, just basically to warm up our chest a little bit. And here's a brief demonstration about push-ups. And that leads us to our blaster or our finisher for Thursday. Okay, so 5 rounds. And this time you're going to write in a time down here. And here's what we're going to end up doing: 60 jumping jacks or a minute of cardio. Your choice to plug in something different. But 20 sit-ups, 15 push-ups, and we're going to do that 5 times round. So then you're going to plug in your time there. But here's another demonstration of our blaster finisher. Here's a demonstration there to look at. That leads us to Friday. Lots of stuff happening on a Friday. We're going to learn some speed development drills. So we're going to do things today like tuck jumps, 4 sets of 5. Here's a brief demonstration of tuck jumps. We're going to move on to speed skaters. We're going to do 4 sets of 6 for each leg. Here's a brief demonstration of what a speed skater looks like. We're moving on to bounding, this time for distance. We're going to go for 20 yards, 4 sets of 20 yards. Here's a brief description of what bounding might look like. And then we're going to get back into your core, and we're just going to do some basic things. No video attached to this core. 4-point plank. We're going to do 3 sets of 30 seconds, then take a break, and then we're going to do some crunches, 3 sets of 30 reps. So you can go back and forth between these two if you'd like. But that's what we're asking you to do for your core on a Friday. And then we're going to just get down to stretch a little bit. We're going to get down to a yoga routine. This basic yoga routine will take a little over 13 minutes, if not 14 minutes, to finish up that. So that's our entire week's worth of workout. You're going to find it well-rounded. You're going to find you get your heart rate elevated in lots of different ways. But you're also going to find yourself to do some stretching and get some lactic acid out of your muscles. And obviously get into your core as well. So it should be a great week ahead.